Ours took print there.
Wake up, Bram! Your food's all out. Get it while you can. Have a lemonade before it warms in the sun.
What is it, Mom? There's
Ham-a-sand and spam-a-sand. There's chickpeas and lamb-a-sand. Oranges, bananas, lemonade or tea. Bread with sand, all spread with sand.
at least the sand comes free.
There's crisp with sand and cake with sand.
It's grand with lunch or tea.
Crunch it up.
Enjoy it, love.
At least we're by the sea. My teacher took my iPod by Ken Nesbitt. My teacher took my iPod. She said, they had a rule. I couldn't bring it into class or even to the school. She said she would return it. I'd have it back that day. But then she tried my headphones on and gave up. Click on play. She looked a little startled. But after just a while, she made sure we were occupied and cracked a wicked smile. Her body started swaying. Her toes began to tap. She started creeping in her seat and rocking to the rock. My teacher said she changed her mind. She thinks